G'day people, today we are going to O'Reilly's Rainforest Retreat, and this place is something really special. It's World Heritage listed rainforest area, and look, I hope you enjoy the video. Here's the reception and villa entrance to O'Reilly Resort, and g'day Michael. And there are many lodges down in the valley side, but the majority of people that come to this resort are here for the bushwalking. I mean, the bushwalking is as good as it gets, even in the world. And right here it says the Booyong Walk, but some of the best walks in the entire country are right behind this sign. Tooloona Creek, the border track, down into the Albert River Valley. Just some absolutely sensational bushwalks with waterfalls and pristine rainforest. Today we're going on the treetop walk, which is only a very short walk. Great big huge fig. How's that? Now this Lamington National Park is a World Heritage listed area due to its ancient rainforest. There are many stands of Antarctic beech, which is an extremely old species of flora, but you do find that tree in this area. Here's the entrance to the treetop walk, and we're approaching the suspension bridges, and this goes across the top of the rainforest floor. I'll be bouncing around a bit. You can see the rest of the bridge going across the top of the canopy there. You see that? And then here you can climb up this ladder up into the treetop. There's the ladder up into the treetop. See the tree up there? There's the first section of the suspension bridge that I just came along. I don't know whether you can see Michael's right down the very far end. And this is the next section. Here are all the birds. We're right up on top of the forest canopy here. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And that's the end of the walk. Michael.
G'day there. How you going there?
The man with his DJI everything.
That's me. There's a shot.
DJI what?
A DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal.
With a...
With an iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Right you are.
There you go. Right up to date.
Oh mate, I'm behind the times. Hello, bush turkey.
Brush turkey, mate.
Oh, sorry, brush.
Yeah,
excuse me.
Get the nomenclature right.
Exactly.
I might get shot in turn. Our little furry friend. Our little environmental vandal. Sort of.
The interesting thing about these birds is they lay a great big huge mound.
Yeah, to moderate the
and
temperature.
Which moderates the temperature of the eggs that are laid. But they lay the eggs and that's it.
Yeah, I know they go.
They leave them.
They don't sit on them like normal birds.
The birds hatch and they're on their own. Here we are on the treetop walk. Sorry about all the glare and the... no, sorry should I say the sun flare in the lens, but that's the way it is. Just a word of note, the rainforest in this particular walk is nothing compared to what's down in Tooloona Creek Valley, which is excessively lush with its rainforest. It's truly staggeringly beautiful. This is a replica of the Stinson airliner, which crashed in the valley behind us in 1937, and there was a few survivors from this crash, and it was Bernard O'Reilly who found the survivors. So here we are at the commemorative statue or memorial for the survivors, and Bernard O'Reilly who found the survivors of that Stinson plane crash. And it happened on the 19th of February in 1937. The Stinson was on its way to Sydney. There was an extensive search for a number of days, and no one could find the survivors, and Bernard O'Reilly decided to do his own search within the national park. After 2 days of extensive searching, he found them via a burnt tree that he found. So he finds John Proud and Joe Binstead still alive. They survived by collecting water in that flask. Bernard also finds crash survivor James Westray, but he died while falling down a waterfall going for help. And following on from that, the farmers carried them out to safety. But the real hero in all this is Bernard O'Reilly, which the family name is enshrined in this resort, and the family still owns the resort.